Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both accounts. On your iPhone, make sure iOS is current and you're signed into Apple ID. Open Wallet. Next, open the PayPal app and sign in so you can add PayPal as a payment method. Once done, verify your PayPal account has a linked bank card or bank for instant validation. Make sure two-factor authentication isn't blocking new device additions so you can finish the link without interruptions or verification delays. You'll now add PayPal to Wallet. Open Wallet, tap the plus sign and look for PayPal. If it's present, select it and follow prompts. If Wallet doesn't show PayPal, switch to the PayPal app, go to Settings, choose Apple Pay and tap Add to Apple Wallet. You'll authenticate using Face ID or your passcode and then confirm via PayPal's verification flow, often a one-time SMS or email code. Once authenticated, Apple Wallet will list PayPal as a payment option. Finish by selecting PayPal as your payment option. In Wallet, set it as default or choose it during checkout in Apps or Safari. Test with a small purchase to confirm seamless authorization and receipt delivery. If the transaction fails, remove and re-add PayPal in Wallet, ensure both apps and iOS are updated, and confirm your PayPal funding source isn't restricted. If problems persist, contact PayPal support for account flags. They can reveal holds or required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.